My name is Christopher Cruz, and I'll be comparing Heian literature and Muromachi literature. For those of you guys that don't know, the Heian period and the Muromachi period are part of Japan's history. The Heian period started first, and then the Muromachi period. The Heian period started in 781 AD, while the Muromachi period started in 1333 AD. Now, both of these periods had many similarities and differences in their literature. For similarities, one of them was that they both had upper class citizens who would write their literature. Another similarity is that they would both use history and events in their works. A third similarity is that they were both influenced by Buddhism, because Buddhism during that time played a major role in their works. And lastly, both periods would focus on beauty and culture of the time. Although both periods had many similarities, they also had many differences. First, during the Heian period, much of the literature came from court women, while during the Muromachi period, it came from men. Second, during the Muromachi period, the court system lost all of its power, while during the Heian period it had all of its power. So the Muromachi didn't get its literature from the court system, while during the Heian period it got all of it from the court system. Another difference between them was their Buddhism. Although they were both influenced by Buddhism, they had different forms of it during the time. So during the Heian period, they only had two forms of Buddhism. There was the Tendai and Shingon Buddhism, while during the Muromachi period, there was a Tendai, Shingon, Pure Land, Nichiren, and Zen Buddhism, which influenced them. So the Muromachi period had way more Buddhism forms to be influenced by compared to the Heian during the time. The fourth thing that was different between them was their history, which influenced their works. During the Heian period, there was a dispute between two clans, while during the Muromachi period, there was wars and rebellions happening all over Japan. Lastly, the difference between the two were the people who wrote the literature of the time. When it came to the Heian period, only the wealthy upper class people would write the literary works. However, when it came to the Muromachi period, people of all classes would write the literary works. Overall, both periods were from Japan's history, and they had many similarities and differences in their literature. Thank you.